Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss how to automatically translate your posts or pages using OpenAI with the Polylang AI add-on. Alright, first make sure you've installed and activated both the Polylang plugin and the AutoPoly add-on. Once that's done, just head over to your dashboard and navigate to the pages or posts section. Now just go ahead and edit any page that you want to translate. Okay, so on the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see the Language Settings tab. From here, simply choose the language you want to translate your content into. Now you'll notice a prompt asking if you want to duplicate the original page content. Yeah, just go ahead and click on Translate Now. To enable AI-powered translation via OpenAI, you need to enter the API key. I have already made a tutorial on how to generate OpenAI API key. Check out the video link in description box. Next, you'll need to select OpenAI as your translation provider. At this point, a new tab will open up. Here, just click on Translate button. Once you do that, the translation process will start. Just give it a few moments. Okay, so now the translation is complete. Update the content. And yeah, make sure to quickly review everything and adjust anything if needed before publishing page. And that's it. Your entire page is now translated into your selected language using OpenAI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.